Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe. And from this video, I am going to tell you that how to get the WHO certificate within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I will provide this link in the description box of this video also. You can directly click on that one and you will be directed to the official website of this World Health Organization, and here the website is openwho.org. So if you type this one, then you are going to be directed to this official website. See here, the website link is given openwho.org, and after I enter into this one, then you are going to get the training for current outbreaks. Here it is the novel coronavirus COVID-19. The course is there, so click on this one, and then it will be directed to this web page here. So here the different courses are available. Okay, so the different free courses are available here and providing by the WHO, that is World Health Organization. So out of all this one, you may pick any one of the things. So here I'm taking the first one, that is occupational health and safety for health workers in the context of COVID-19. So click on that one, and then it will be directed to this web page. So here click on the enroll me for this course. Here the total 4 modules are there. So out of all these 4 modules, to watch this one or else to get the certificate, first you have to enroll for these courses, guys. So after clicking on that one, you must have create one new account here if you don't have the already. So that here click on this create new account, then it will ask your name, email address, password, and repeat password here. So here I'm just typing. Okay, so after typing the entire details, then it will ask that password saved. Okay, so then you can able to register now with any one of the course. That means you can start now. So again, I'm clicking on this novel coronavirus, and now whatever the course I am clicking here, it won't ask you to enroll right now, but because already I entered, that means I got the things. So that's why I'm directly enrolling into this course. Okay, see here the email ID and the password whatever I set, so that will come here, and click on the login. It will come like this. That means this email address has not been confirmed yet. So please check your inbox for an email received after the registration process. All further steps can be found there. If you have not received the mail, click to send it again. That means your whatever the mail ID you are providing here, that must be the working mail ID, because you have to verify your mail ID. That means the WHO will send one link to your mail. So you have to click on that one. Then your mail ID will be verified, then only the login will be continued. See guys, it is the mail I got from the WHO, so confirm email. So just click on this one, then your mail ID will be confirmed. Okay, see, confirm. So now you can click on this login. Okay, so now here the my profile is open. So the dashboard with the name and what is the display name and the email ID and the date of birth. Okay, all these things you can set here. So that the preferred language, additional language, how old are you, what's your gender, okay, and why you are interested in participating in open WHO courses, and when following the online courses, which faggots and the features best help you learn. Okay, all this. Okay, from which country you are, all these things will ask, and you have to enter all these details. And if you don't want to provide all this information, at least you have to provide this information, that what is your professional affiliation. Okay, so at least fill up this detail, and after filling up, then your work will be done here, and then go to the home, guys. Okay, so going to the home means just it will display all the courses, and then click on this novel coronavirus COVID-19. So whatever the process we did up to now, all these things are to start the course. It will ask your mail ID and the name, because it has to be come on the certificate, right? And then click on that course, that is occupational health, and then you will be directed to this web page, guys. So beginning of the course here, so you are having the 4 different types of modules are there. So just click on the module number 1, and then here the video will come here. Okay, so just play this video, and here you can go through this video by simply skipping, guys. Okay, so just simply go through this video by skipping, or else if you want to get the information, so you may go through all the information also. So the same thing you have to do for all the 4 modules, guys. And here for each and every module, the quiz option is also there. So module 1, and here the quiz is there. So this is a graded assignment or exam, no time restriction, and the unlimited attempts are provided here. So if you click on this start quiz now, then it will be directed to the questions like this, guys. So just fill up all these questions. So if you kept the wrong answer in the quiz, then no problem, guys. It will show you the correct answers here, and you may retake the quiz also. Okay, it's not a big deal. So like that, do the same thing for all the remaining modules also. Okay, so just whatever the video is there, just when skipping, keep on skipping, and then start attempting the quiz, guys. So like that, finish all the 4 quizzes present in the 4 modules, and if your score is more than 80, then you will get the certificate. So to get that one, just click on the certificates here. So by clicking on that one, here you can see the record of achievement achieved. So the congratulations, you achieved a certificate to this course by scoring the 83% in the graded assignments. So that you can able to download your certificate by clicking on this download. Okay, so here it is downloading. So anyhow, this certificate will be helpful to you in any cases. Okay, it just comes like a extracurricular activities which will be beneficial in your future also to put in your resume. Okay, you can see that the World Health Organization record of achievement on the occupational health and safety for health workers in the context of COVID-19. Okay, so like that, whatever the courses are providing here by the WHO, you can able to avail all the courses. Okay, guys, so just try yourself. So whatever the procedure I shown you right now, so with that one you will get the certificate, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and they also get the certificate. Whatever the procedure I shown right now, just follow that one, guys. Thank you. Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology, and including this one, the general paper, that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video, and also along with that link I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans.